This case involves a severe pest infestation where the apartment wasn't properly prepared for treatment. The judge warns that without full cooperation, eviction may be the next step.
She's incapacitated.
Okay.
And she has dementia. This is my case manager from
Okay.
CMH.
CMH. Okay, come on up. What's your name?
Thomas Fleming.
And your name, sir?
Scott Moore.
All right. Thank you. All right. Where are we on this thing?
Your Honor, since the last hearing, I have a report from my client. So there was an inspection on the 14th to go over what needed to happen before treatment on Monday. And then on that Monday, the 17th, Terminix visited the home. And it sounds like the home is not adequately prepared for effective treatment. So obviously this is a health hazard and safety case. And so there's just the home is attracting pests, and it's it sounds like there have just been some problems getting the house prepared for treatment, and it's affecting other units.
So what happened, sir?
The defendant explains he's caring for his 89-year-old mother and didn't receive the preparation instructions needed for treatment. He says he's been improving the unit each visit.
And they sprayed, and it wasn't complete.
They needed to come back.
The problem is that I'm taking care of an 89-year-old, and I didn't have any help. We moved into this apartment from my home, and there's a lot of stuff in there. And my nephew didn't come and help me until the end of October. It's an ongoing process. I spent a lot of money trying to get the house prepared. I got the clothes up. I bought tubs that cost about $100. I bought paint. I painted the wall because there was fecal matter from bed bugs and eggs. I painted over that. And also they didn't come on the time that they said they were coming. They said they're coming the 3rd, the 10th, and the 17th.
Right, but when they came back on the 17th, if the unit's not...
They only did one room.
But sir, and that's because they're not going to do the rooms if they're not prepared.
Well, it's kind of hard to move my mom and her hospital.
Sir, I hear you. I'm just trying to figure out somehow or another this impasse.
The judge emphasizes that health and safety concerns affect neighboring units. He insists the home must be fully prepared for Terminix to complete their treatment.
That we're at has to, got to get past it.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
But for one thing, I didn't have the paper that tells me how to prepare the home because someone, an old neighbor of mine, Michael, has been helping me out. And he took that paper and he was supposed to make a copy. He never gave it back to me. So I didn't know. I was only guessing at how to prepare the home. He never gave it back to me. So I was only guessing what I needed to do. And I've done a lot. Every time they've come, it's been more improved.
All right.
So if I know what, go ahead. So if I know what needs to be done,
does that list come from Terminix or does it come from your client about preparation?
I'm guessing it would come from Terminix, but obviously that's a guess. I can
right.
Answer for my client.
All right.
So it didn't come on the 10th at all.
Okay. But understand the part of the reason they're not showing up is because the unit's not prepared.
the landlord must resend the preparation list, and Terminix must schedule a new appointment. The judge sets a clear deadline: the unit must be ready by December 10th.
I understand and I hear all your difficulties, but it can't.
Well,
Can't
he
keep
sprayed
going.
on the 17th, and I couldn't get into my room for three hours, and I had to sleep on the floor.
Right. I get that. But and I'm just going to give you the bottom line to it. If we don't get that unit sprayed and properly treated, then I'm going to have to issue a judgment and have you evicted.
Oh,
That's the bottom line. And I don't necessarily want to do that.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
I just found out kind of about what's going on. I will happily assist Kevin and try to get his.
Got it. Okay. So it's pretty much on a 2-week kind of cycle kind of thing. So
Oh, sorry.
here's what I'm going to do. I have the 12.
Yes.
What I want to have happen is I want the landlord to send out the list of how that unit needs to be prepared. If to the defendant as well as if the CMA.
The judge resets the hearing for December 12th. He hopes the next report shows real progress, warning that failure to comply will lead to an eviction judgment.
Okay. Send that out. Have them set another appointment for the spraying and treatment of the unit. And let's see if we can get this done.
Brenner, would you give a deadline for the appointment so that we all know kind of when it has to be prepared?
For the appointment, well, I was thinking of adjourning it out to the 12th, but with the holidays, I don't know if that's going to be enough time. Can they get Terminix out in a week?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's not a problem.
So I'll adjourn this out December 12th, 2025 at 2 p.m. All right. And I'm going to indicate your unit needs to be fully prepared for treatment.
Okay.
That was going to happen. You're going to have your unit fully prepared for treatment by the 10th.
And
Yes, and that way they can set the appointment. Hopefully they can get them out there within that,
10th to the 12th.
between the 10th and the 12th. They can get them out there. I may be ambitious, but I'm also trying to give time because I know you're going to be. All right. Okay, so 2 o'clock on the 12th, and hopefully we can have a good report.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Brent.